So in this video, you'll learn how to use the built-in surface level on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to ensure that you have it added onto the edge panels. To do that, simply open Settings and then scroll and select Display. Under Display, look for Edge Panels and tap on it, and then select Panels. Look for the option Tools, and then you want to select it so that it's added to the Edge Panels section. From here, you can now close the Settings app. The next step in order for you to use the surface level is simply swipe to access the Edge Panels, then go to the Tools section. And then under Tools, because the default tool is currently Compass, you need to switch it to the surface level. To do that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the Edge panel and then select the option Surface Level. Once you've done that, you can now see the built-in surface level has successfully appeared, and you can now start using it on your phone. You can even tap on Calibrate it, and then it can be recalibrated to however it is that you want. If you want to reset it, tap on Reset, and it will be taken back to its default. And so that's how you can use the built-in surface level of your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, or A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.